In this video, we're going to show you how you can remove conversations on Discord. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. If you have a DM or conversation on Discord that you no longer want to see, here's how you can remove it from your chat list. Begin by actually opening up your main messages page. You'll have to hit this icon in the top left to do so, and essentially find the conversation that you would like to remove. I'm just going to choose this one. Now, keep in mind that this does not delete the actual messages, just the chat thread from your list. Essentially, tap the user's name up at the very top and press the three dots in the top right corner. There's going to be an option on here that says close DM. Simply go ahead and click on that, and as you can see, that chat just got completely removed. So that conversation is now pretty much disappeared from your messages list. If you ever do want to chat with them again, just send them a new message and the DM's going to reappear. But thank you so much for watching. If this video tutorial helped you out, please make sure that you like the video and subscribe for even more Discord tutorials just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.